All right, once again, we are back with another end of day report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trigger Reports. And if you are not already subscribed to the PulseWave Reports, the most powerful trading and investment tool on the planet, you need to go to PulseWaveTrading.com right now. We have several packages available for you to choose so that you can start building that income stream for yourself and your family. All right, let's knock this out. So, as you know, we have a holiday coming up on us, Good Friday. So the stock market will be closed on Friday. So I will not be doing any videos on Thursday night because the market's closed Friday. Of course, we will reconvene on Sunday. All right, so the first chart we're going to look at right now in no particular order. This is your Bitcoin. All right, and as you see here, that's the wrong chart. Hold on, I pulled up the wrong chart. Let me find the right one. Bear with me. I will find it. It's around here somewhere. Let's see. All right. Let's see here. All right. All right. Nothing's coming up. That's odd. Huh. All right. Let's try this one more time. All right. That's better. Okay. Here we go. I do believe this is the right one. Let's see if I'm right. I'll know when I see it. Okay, nope. All right, so that is invalid. All right. I really thought I was on to something here. All right, we'll come back to that. Not sure why it's not showing, but we'll come back to it. All right, let's go to the next one. Here is ADA Cardano. All right, so as you can see here, we did not get any upside production today. So we have a very narrow bar and it's struggling below the Kumo cloud. So if it does get up and running, it could be a powerful push forward, but you see the selling pressure is just not letting up for your ADA Cardano. Looking over at your Theta right now. All right, Theta also, it's trying to do something here and it's barely getting out of the gate. So we'll see what happens, but it's looking good so far. But a lot of resistance. Got the overhead trend line resistance in the bottom of the Kumo cloud, respectively, and this is a very wide cloud also. So it's going to be an uphill battle, but at least you're starting to get a little bit of production to the upside there. All right, looking now at the gold futures real quick. Going to the metals, you can see here gold popped up one more day. All right, so starting to get a little bit more interest to the upside here. Still in the overall bearish pattern and that red zone, but the market is trying to push forward, trying to gain some of that lost territory back. All right, here is silver. Silver is trying to follow the lead with gold, trying to get some of that back, trying to get bullish. Last time it tried to flip like this, we got this powerful bearish pointer. We could be about to set that up again. You're still overall consolidated, but still with a bearish bias. All right, looking at your GDXJ on your miners. Miners pushed through again today to the upside. So this one's wide open. And we took out that bullish pointer right here. As I told you, I did foresee that happening, and that's what the market just did. It took it out today. All right, next up we got GLD. And GLD, not a whole lot going on this one today. You had more breadth of the market to the gold futures than you're having with the GLD itself. Could that be foretelling? We do have this bullish pointer way back here, so perhaps the market's going to try to make a push there. We'll have to see. We will have to see. And last but not least, here is SLV. All right, SLV is also attempting to come back here and test and take out the bullish pointer as well. We'll see how high these markets can get. It's no guarantee, of course, but we got our fingers crossed at least. I think that if we get enough people involved, that the market will go ahead and make a probable run. We just have to see if there's enough built into this thing or not. All right, here is that Ethereum I was trying to pull up. Okay, this is not the futures. This is the actual Ethereum cash market. And you can see what the market did here. Wait a minute. Something's still not right. I'm going to have to figure this out. This is not working. This is not updating my data the way I need it to. So for some odd reason, all of these are for the Bitcoin and Ethereum are not working. So just give me a second. I think I know what's happening here. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna fix it. All right. We're gonna fix it. Okay. So if that one is not working, perhaps this one is. All right. I think I found the problem. I think I have found the problem. All right, here we go. All right, so now this looks more like it. All right, so this here is your Ethereum. All right, this is the crypto itself, not the futures. And we get that that rally alert on this one. And as you can see here, the market did give you some upside production, and it is stopping short at the overhead trend line resistance. The market's trying to push through it. And so this is going to be an interesting one because this is diverging against the futures right now. Next up, we got the Bitcoin. All right, this is the cash market for Bitcoin, not the futures. All right, and you can see how the market tried to lift off today on this one too. Came in today with that rally alert. We got that upside production, but it too is struggling now at the overhead trend line resistance. All right, so the market is rallying from an oversold situation. I'm sorry. Wait a minute. Not so fast. Okay, it's giving me an overbought reading. Okay, all right. Now we got to talk. Let's talk. Okay, let me flip back over to. Okay, I'm not getting the same reading on the Ethereum, but I am on this Bitcoin. Okay, we got to talk. We got to have a conversation. All right. Just when I thought I was done, right? Okay, so here's what's happening. All right, so we got an overbought situation now based on today's price action in the Bitcoin. That means that the market is probably going to sell off. The bears are going to come in and they're going to take the market back down again. Got an overbought reading. The last overbought, oversold reading we got was on this bar right here, which was March the 31st. And what happened after that? The market dropped precipitously. Now we have this one. So I think if the market will try to run, because this last one we got here, and then here's this one right here. So this one right here, the market was ready to fall. This one right here is saying the market's ready to run. Oh, I'm not sharing. Sorry about that. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry about that. Okay. So as I was saying, this is the Bitcoin. All right. This is the cash market, not the futures. The last overbought oversold when we got was back here. All right. And this right here was saying, okay, this market is done. It's overbought and it's about to fall down. And that's exactly what happened. We dropped precipitously. Now I'm getting the oversold reading saying that, hey, this right here was a little bit much. Market wants to run now. So this is a pretty good reading here. Like I said, the last one we got this overbought reading right here. Market drop. Now we got the oversold reading. Market looks like it wants to run. So very interesting here. Now this is the cash. This is not the futures. The futures looks nothing like this. So it's very, very telling what's happening right now. So I had to show you this because the last overbought oversold reading was here, March 31st. We got this big drop. Now we got an oversold reading. Are we about to run? That is the question. Last reading, precipitous drop. This reading, is it going to be a bear market rally? Something to think about. But these 2 pointers that we talked about last night are still concerning. All right. So no matter what happens up in here, I think down she goes. All right. We can't ignore that. Still got to trade what the market tells you. Don't try to second guess anything, but also be aware and be alert of what's going down. All right, my man in Aussie land, you want to see AZI. All right, I got you. Altman. All right, let's see what Altman got for you. All right, so Altman has a rally alert buy signal for tomorrow's trading, and it looks like you've put in a short-term bottom. I see this selling here, so you may have some people taking advantage of the market bumping its head on the overhead trend line resistance, thinking that it's not going to go and they're going to try to push it back down. Interesting reading because you have crossed over from the red zone to the green zone, and I think the market wants to run. I think this was a successful test of support, and now the market is trying to turn. So very interesting on this one. All right, next you want to see MXC. All right, let's pull up your MXC. MXC. All right. All right, you want the Aussie. So that's the MGC Pharmaceuticals. That's what I thought. All right. It's been a while since I think I pulled this one up for you. Okay, so and this one is on the report. I remember that. All right, so this one's still very bearish. You hit a new weekly low today, and you're in the red zone, and you're below the Kumo cloud, and you're below the overhead trend line resistance, and you just put in a new weekly low too. I don't know if the selling's done yet. It's looking like it's ramping up for a pretty precipitous drop. I gotta tell you, it's looking like you could do one of these again. The way this is looking up in here is almost reminiscent of this one. All right, so we could have another January the 10th, 2022 on our hands. Be very wary of this, okay? Be careful. If you're along this market, man, I don't know what to tell you on this one. I wouldn't be long. If you're following the pulse waves, you're getting in when it tells you to. This was your last buying opportunity, then this is where you would have got out at right here. This one didn't give you any buying opportunity. The market reverse gave you no upside. So really, this has been the only buying opportunity was here on March the 10th. And then you got out here. So you had a little bit of a profit, but that's it. If you're waiting for the next go signal, I would say still stay in cash until it's time to get in here. I know it's a penny stock, but penny stocks can go pretty low. They can drop below zero. They can trade several decimal places like Bitcoin. All right, so don't do that to yourself. Follow the system, and I think you'll be thankful that you did. All right, that's all we got time for today, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, tomorrow is the last day of trading here in the United States. Friday, stock markets close in observance of Good Friday. So everyone enjoy the 3-day weekend. I know I'm going to. I'm looking forward to it. I've been slaving all week, man. I've been in this lab. I'm so happy to get out of this lab. In the meantime, you guys know what to do. Stay safe, stay alert, stay aware. And I'll see you guys on Sunday, man. Sunday, late afternoon. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And that simply means take whatever profit you can take from the markets without giving it all back in the way of losses. And with that being said, enjoy, fam. Smash the like button. Peace.